Hi! Good afternoon, everyone! Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Maayong hapon at maupay nga kulo pa mga waray-waray, especially ang mga burawanon. Welcome back to my vlog at
Manay Mirna
5.5. Okay, so now I'm here with my granddaughter Chloe because she requested that we will make a donut. So, what will we make for today, Chloe?
Donuts.
Okay, so samahan niyo kami at gagawa kami ng donut. Okay, so ngayon, ingredients natin. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo. Mayroon tayo dito flour, sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, salt, and butter. And we have here the baking powder. This donut is what do you call that, me? No, yes, donut, because this is only 15 minutes to do. So, magsimula na tayo. So, nakahanda na pala dito ang aking frying pan na maitim kasing itim ng maitim na mga budhi. Okay, atong kids. Okay, so now, Chloe, can you hold this? So, ano kuan ha? Dito lang bitak paghimo.
Okay.
So, Chloe will be the one to hold the camera. No, you can hear beef. Sometimes you put it here. So this is it. You will put the
Milk in the flour, and then you
milk, and then
mix.
mix it. Mikos-mekos badangs. Mikos-mekos mga manay. And then, how many sugar? 2 tablespoons of sugar.
1 tablespoon.
So we will make it 2 tablespoons because we're using the butter instead of oil. And butter kay medyo. And then, 2 tablespoons of butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. So, 1, 2. Okay, I will get that. Right. So, it is here. Here. May measurement dyan ng tablespoon. So, gamitin natin. One is 1 tablespoon. Another 1 tablespoon. Nandito yan, nakalagay dito.
Built-in measurements.
Yeah. So, after that, we will melt first the butter. Not yet melted. So we will put in the microwave for seconds only, like
30?
no, it's only like
25.
10 seconds.
Oh.
Just to no, cancel.
Scarlett, come here.
Okay. 10 seconds only, and then while waiting for that, we will put this one. Wait. The egg. Then, mikos-mikos again. Sugad labi, kay para makikita nila ang ginagawa natin.
Okay.
Mikos. Saba na po ka! Nagbuto. Then, put here the butter.
Yum.
So, then how many?
Let's check.
You check how many this one. This is our first time to make.
Baking powder?
3
3.
teaspoon, 3 and 1/2.
And 3 and 1/2, yeah. Was that 3?
Yeah.
3.
Okay. 3 and 1/2 teaspoon of
Baking
then
powder.
mikos again para maano na sila lahat, ma-mix. Tapos gaganyan-ganyanin lang natin. And then So, ayan na. Samahan nyo kami guys ha. Para makapanood kayo kung paano. This is our first time to make this recipe. I don't know if what will be the result. But hopefully, maayos ito.
And it tastes good.
I know. So, after this, iaano natin dito sa, ano bang tawag dyan, Chloe? I-roll?
Oh yeah, you need it.
Oh, ibaliktad mo camera. Here like paper towel. I will with the paper towel. Then, I will clean up this side. So that, I will put here, I will masa-masa her. I will
Need?
Need. Okay. You explain them, Chloe. Because I don't know how.
Daddy will need to see things.
Okay, so there we will clean up first using this one and this one so that it will be surely clean. And then put some, ano tawag yun?
Flour.
Put some flour. And then
So it doesn't stick to the what's it called,
Mhm.
table.
and this one, what is the one, the mixture na. Then we will put the mixture here. Chloe, did you wash your hand so that you can knead, because my arm is hurt. Okay. Chloe's be the one to knead this because my arm is hurting now. Rheuma is for real. So Chloe, you will just do this. Remember when we are doing the dog siupaw?
Yeah.
Okay. Do that kay masakit itapon arm.
Okay.
Then I will look for someone to mag-i-improvise la tayo kasi what will we use? Okay, you just need for like 5 minutes. Until it is. Ano ba takikon mo rin ka mong bottled water? Ano?
Yeah.
Do we have bottled water here?
Um.
Okay, just need that though.
Okay, guys. Just kneading it.
Pakita minute to ha.
And
Camera.
okay. Anyways, I'm kneading it, and it's kind of
I'm
sticky.
looking for
And it.
something to. Alina.
And I got on my hair tie.
So, you yakan.
I did. I don't know what I want to talk about though.
So, need more flour?
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Oh.
Not yet. If it's already stretchable, then it's time that we will stop kneading it.
Okay.
Sige lang, continue.
Don't know what to talk about.
Shout out to Ma'am Grace, Daisy Agustin, Sir Melvin, Melissa, Mary Ann, Raya, Hannah, Carl, Robel, Jason, Tita Mars, and Daddy Nix for always watching my vlog.
And me.
And then Madeline Lynn. And for everybody who is watching, thank you so much guys for watching the senior citizen vlog na nandito sa Florida nakikibaka. So more? And I really appreciate it. Hi Flynn, and shout out Flynn and Impress and also Nirvana. So watch lang kay Lola and Ate Chloe. So si Ate Chloe ngayon ang nagninid kasi masakit ang arm ko.
Yeah.
It's okay now? It is stretchable?
I think
Huh?
so. I don't know.
Okay. So if it is already stretchable, we will use this one. Okay. So you will form like a ball. Bula. Okay, so yan. Okay. Pahalabaan, Ebi. you form like so God. I mean, okay, so God ana niya. Okay. So God daw, ano?
Yeah.
And then, masakit yung braso ko, kaya si Chloe yung pinaano ko. Don't worry guys, Chloe did wash her kuan. Then, cut it small like this one that we can form like a
That small?
yeah. Okay, I will cut it and then you need this one. Form first like a ball. Then need
Like a ball. Okay.
so that. And then asa na yung dala ko? Why na magdoro-doro ng plastic? Where did I put? My hand.
Uh-oh.
So mag-i-improvise lang tayo kasi wala kaming donut.
Cutter.
Ha?
Cutter.
Donut cutter. Nasa ring ni Chloe. So ito lang. After ni Chloe ganyan, I will do it this way. And then, for the center, this one. See?
Oh my gosh, so big.
Okay. O, di ngayon. Hala. Chloe. It's okay. I cannot find. So, may donut na tayo. So, another. Okay, Chloe, continue. And I will start heating the oil. We should put lots of oil so that it can cook the So you continue, Chloe. Thank you so much guys for watching our small video. So si Chloe na ngayon ang naggagawa niyan at ako ay nagpainit na dito ng oil. Dapat lang marami ang oil para maluluto. So ingat kayo palagi kung nasaan man kayo. Kami ng aking family ay palaging nag-iingat. No, you push this hard, B. Push hard. Ah, can you use the bubot? Okay. It's the same, basta you push hard. Okay. We have the improvise. What do you call that, B?
Being smart?
This one? The cutter? Donut cutter. Nasa rin we donut cutter. Because we don't have one and we will buy it. So, ayan na. Nag-start na si Chloe mag-ano. Pabayaan ko siya kasi masakit yung arm ko. Sago, nagrariuma ako nung ano pa kaya nga nag-ano ako na makapag-exercise para kasi at saka siguro isa ka din kasi yung ulam namin yung baragsikol ba yung tuna ano hindi fish na maraming ano dugo. Nagkabili kami doon sa fresh market. Kaya ayan, nasakit yung arm ko. Pero, nawawala din ito. So, makontento sa kung anong meron tayo and always be happy. What is happy, Chloe? How do you call your happy face? Ang pretty ng Chloe. So, order na kayo ng donut ni Chloe. Magandang gumawa niyan. Kaya siguradong masarap. Samahan niyo ako hanggang makaluto tayo para makita niyo kung it's okay. It's okay. This is not for order. You will just do it. Oh. See? Okay. Hindi naman yan order. Dagdagan mo ng ano. Agi kay danay kami ni Chloe nagkakaintindihan kay do sa lot na kaintindi takayakan. Usahay liwat naknakag in English. Charot. So, mag-ano na hiya. Ayan na. Nag-i-start na ba yung Chloe pag-hitit ko on? The frying pan is starting to heating now. Don't make it perfect. Kay kita man lang maithin.
I know, but I want it to be.
Yeah, because you're a perfectionist. Dalaga na gadita Chloe. 13 years ago? How old are you? 14. 14 years ago? My Chloe is not titit kan mama. Bisang powdered milk na. So yun, sasamahan yung ako hanggang makaano ako. Muna kayo ha, kay Chloe po. At maghanda ko ng lagayan ng donut. So I will use this small only for sugar, right?
Yeah.
Napaso na. Marada mo na Chloe tim na yun.
I don't know.
Sige, kay Bara. Halo. May katulong na ako sa paggawa. Mahilig kasi magiging magaling din yan si Chloe magluto kasi mahilig siya sa akin tumulong. Alam na rin niya yung pagtimpla ng lumpia, Shanghai. Alam niya talaga from scratch. So siya na talaga ang kung gusto namin na gustong mag Shanghai na busy. Siya na ang gumagawa hanggang sa So ngayon, parang mainit na yung natin, oil. Wala kaming pan-testing na tryan muna natin ito. Ay, pwede na Chloe. Okay. 1, 2. Ay nako, kaglipong hitaktuan camera. Sorry guys. Again!
Scarlett.
Sige na, bigay mo mapaso na ikuan. Karaha. Yan, oho. Nahanglan. Kaya magpaparong-parong do kita hini. So, ayan. Ayan na. Oh my God! Ito na! Donut touch! Donut! Chloe! May donut na dito! Ayan na guys! Makatikim na tayo ng donut. Nagki-crave si Chloe. Kanina pa ako inaano na mag-donut. Ewan ko lang kung anong lasa nito. First time namin, walang special dito na ingredients. Yung pang ano lang ito. Kung ano lang yung nakalimutan ko na kasi. Matagal na. Pero itatry lang natin. Si Chloe, siguro nag-aano-ano ito kay mami niya. Kasi siya ang maraming gustong kainin. Mamayang dinner, ulam namin is seafood. Kasi yon ang gusto ni Chloe. What do you want for dinner?
Seafood.
Favorite niya kasi ang seafood. So Chloe, parungon ko na diri la. May dana dida? Yeah. Oh, okay. So andito na. Ay dapat diri matubod. Tapos nilalagay ko dito sa ay nako. Kumusta naman nito ang Kumusta naman ang sugar na naman nito? Kahagabi kami halo-halo. Ngayon donut na may sugar. Pwede man hindi ko lagyan ng sugar lahat. Yeah. Again, kapaso halaka, Scarlett. Ayan na. So, Chloe more. Ayan na. Ayan na. So this is it, Chloe. Hold your kuan. Hold your ano ini. And thank you so much guys for watching. God bless us all. See you on my next vlog. Love you guys. Thank you.